In this video, we are going to see what are the different features of the array list, and we'll see one by one. Okay. So when we want to create array list, just use this syntax and add elements for this object. Okay. Then accessing elements from the array list. So here I am accessing the element 0. Okay. The first element is apple. Next, first, okay, accessing element. This is the just information about our operation. Next, the second operation is modifying element. In this one, so modifying the elements. So in the first index, I want to replace with the blueberry. So okay, the out, so system output updated array list is equal to array list. Okay, so blueberry added in the uh, first position. This is 0 position, first position. Next, adding elements. So how do we add it? Just array list add it. So the this one will be added at the end of the array list. Remove the elements. So you can remove the index based, and so let's put the 0, 1, 2, right? We are removing. So the before one we have 0, 1, 2 cherry remove, and remove based on the value. So date also removed. Okay. Next, checking the if element is exists. Okay. So banana. So contains array list contains banana. So banana is available? No. False. Checking the array list is empty. Is empty. False. Right. Next. Um, getting the size of the, so at this place the size is equal to 3. So this is 3 value. Iterating over the array list. How do we iterate it? So string root. Okay, we are creating a variable string root array list system order root. So like this we are iterating apple, blueberry and fig. Okay, let's sorting. So how do we sort it? You are using collection dot sort array list. So apple, blueberry, fig. Okay, just clearing the array list. Array list clear. Okay, clear the array list. So nothing is there. So converting the array list to array. So okay, so array list to array list to, so array list of array. So as of now no values, but anyway this is the way they are converting list to array. Okay, checking the array list contain all elements of another collection. So as of now empty, so we have another array list sub list, and checking uh, array list contains all subjects. Okay, so as of now array list contains empty, we are checking these two values. So false obviously. Okay, next few more examples we see it. So again adding the four fruits, and okay, the first operation is index. Index wise we are getting the second index is 0, 1, 2. So get the third element, right? Third element is 0, 1, 2. Okay, cherry. Okay, so okay, grape. So apple. So what we are doing, getting elements by, okay, yes, and so this is the 11th operation, right? Okay, gets index of, okay, index 0, 1, 2, cherry. Adding element of specific index. Okay, 0 at one place you are adding grape. Okay, that's good. Next, 12th, removing the all occurrences of element. Removing all occurrences of element. So add banana, and let's remove all collection dot singleton banana. After removing all banana occurrences in the array list. Okay, so so this is 13, right? So so no bananas are there. Yeah. Fine. So this is different. Okay. So we are adding duplicate banana before, yeah, and removing all bananas. Okay. Add banana. So before we have 12, we have banana. We add one more banana and remove everything. Singleton. Okay. The word never used before. Okay. Checking the error list contains sublist. We already checked it, right? So 14 you can skip it. 15 go for reversing the error list. Okay, it's a good option. 15. So there, cherry. Okay. Just getting the index of the first occurrence of the element. Index of the first occurrence. Okay. Index of first occurrence. First occurrence. Cherry. Index of the. Okay. Cherry. Index of cherry. Uh, okay. You want to find out the which row. Okay. But now, so 0, 1. Only 1. Yeah. Right. I'm getting the last index of element. 17th. Last index of the element is here. Last element of the apple, right? Last index, right? 0, 1, 2, 3. Okay. 17. Getting the last index of element. Okay. Date. Here, date index is 0. Okay. Got it. 0. Okay. Next one is iteration. We already discussed it. There are two different of iterator, right? One is has nest, another one is just before we have before putting it the for loop and we did it, right? Okay. Just checking the array list contains no duplicates. 19th. No duplicates. Contains duplicates. Okay. Has duplicates or no duplicates. Okay. Removing the elements satisfying the condition. Okay. Element starts with 3. Okay. C. Okay. Remove array list. Remove in bracket element. Oh, now this is a new for me. Okay, element starts with C. So we call as a array list contains as the elements. So each element start array new element starts with C. Okay. So let us see a few more examples again. So we have again 4 entries. Okay, the 23 statement creating a copy of the array list. Copy list, new array list. Okay, okay. Copy. Okay. Copy of the copy list. Yeah, so copy. Okay, good. Checking the for equality with another error list. Okay, checking the equality with another error list. So it's 24th, right? So we have okay. So other list. Okay, as a list. Okay, so as a list. Okay, boolean are equal contains other error. Okay, so creating a error list like this and comparing this one equals. Okay, this is a boolean are equal or not. Okay, 24. Yes, true. Sublist of error list. Okay, so sublist 1 comma 3 error list sublist. Okay, okay. Now index print element sublist. Okay, sublist. So 25th banana and cherry. Actually, apple banana. Okay, but banana and cherry we are taking sublist. Okay, checking the error list immutable. Immutable error list immutable. So string unmodified list collection dot unmodified error list. Unmodified list add fig. Okay, sketch unmodified list. Okay, there's an exception. 26th attempt to modify unmodified list resulting exception. Okay, so, shuffling the array list. So shuffle means randomly you can. So as of now 27. Before we have apple banana. Okay, now shuffling. Good. You can also shuffle it. Okay, clearing the elements sufficiently. Okay, okay, nothing, just empty, making empty 28. Okay, we have 29 also. Let us see. Checking the array list contains specific element. Okay, contains cherry. Okay, yes, false. No cherry, right? Here, okay, no cherry. And remove the elements outside specific range. So again, array list add. Uh, so array list contains as of now. This is the value, right? Array list. Okay. Now apple, banana, removing elements outside specific range. Array list add apple, banana, cherry, date. Array list sublist 1, comma 3. Here we cleared, right? Okay. Okay. Sublist 1, comma 3. So after clearing 1, comma 3, we have apple date. Fine. So we have seen 30 different ways of handling contents of the array list.